Really funny. Okay. Lord, I gotta come to shockwaves. My car just keeps. Hi, besties, little nugs. Y'all better watch this because y'all have to always make sure your car is running right.
Our fucking Autobot decided that the fucking shockwave is not working anymore.
So let's see what we can do. Okay, so first, what we're
These
gonna
are
do?
price tools.
Priceless.
Priceless.
Look, god damn it. Okay, so first we gotta take off these little things.
What is that?
These
Nipple
little,
rings?
these little nugs.
Oh.
I don't know what size they are, so I just check them like this. Y'all do the same. Just do whatever y'all feel is right. Look, see? Perfect. Okay. Oh, fuck. Hold on. Listen, this is our High Bestie's first time ever doing this, so.
All right.
Okay,
So
maybe that's not the size, but still, it's still working.
So what are you doing?
Right now, we're just taking off the 10mm bolts.
Oh.
I don't know if that's really what it's called, but I know they're called the bolts from up here, from this little thing. Okay, or I don't know. Okay, so these right there.
Okay.
That's one. Wait a minute, what the fuck is going on? Y'all see what I'm doing? Do it. Okay. Now what you're gonna do is grab it and pick it up from there. I wonder if those are good. Fuck, I should have used gloves. Okay, now what we're gonna do is check. Oh my god, I'm over here touching my brand new shorts. Should fuck my whole world up. Okay, let me see. We're gonna take a little quick preview of what I'm supposed to do because I don't know what I'm doing.
Don't look at me. I'm pitching tomorrow.
But I know for sure. I think you have to take these off. Okay. So yeah. I think this is the same size. So we'll take this one off first. Okay. Wait, what? You were falling?
Yes.
Oh shit. Okay, so and we are replacing the wind chimes and the
shockwaves.
The shockwaves. Whoa. Okay, so this. Whoops. See, this is what you don't want to do is break this damn thing.
See, you were just using that as an example. Just showing you what you're not supposed to do.
Shit.
Because once that fucks up, your steering wheel's gonna lock up.
You're screwed.
You're screwed.
Okay, hold on. I also forgot. I had to blow this little thing. Hold on.
You have to blow up a balloon?
Because you don't want nothing falling in there, so. Okay, run away. How do you do this?
5 years of mechanic school.
Right?
We still can't figure it out.
Okay.
I mean, I know I skipped that day, but...
The one day I skipped. Blow off any debris.
Was that a bee?
I didn't blow off the fucking.
What is it?
I blew off the little. Hold on. What actually?
Is it a spider? No, it's like a giant mantis. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. That's like. Wait, where'd it go? Right oh, where'd it go? Oh, that's a tiny little baby.
Oh, Angie, that's crazy.
Oh wait, we're mechanics.
Yeah, we're mechanics. Okay, so we'll put this one in. Well, we're supposed to put it aside, but I already took it off, so. And then we'll We're gonna take off all 4 of them. It's 1, 2. Now we'll take these out.
Alright, I'm gonna hold on to these because I'm scared of that the wind is gonna go in my pocket.
Waves, you guys.
See, because you have to take out these little fuckers right here because you can put like different flavor scents.
Yeah.
And you can put like a vanilla one, and then you turn on your AC and it'll smell like cinnamon rolls. Oh, see, he got the honey flavored one. Okay, that's cool.
And you guys, if you don't have one of these, this is a and you get the spark.
And then you stir the pot.
Oh wait, you know what? I'll do this.
Oh, he needs his wand.
I need my wand. Oh wait, hold on. Now I got it. So this
Okay, so what are you doing now?
So we're taking out this, whatchamacallit?
The shower head?
Oh my god. This is hard as fuck. I'm a little scared. Oh.
Oh.
Okay. Okay.
Can you break something?
Got it.
Oh, okay. I swear, Transformers are so fickle.
Okay. Damn. Oh. Okay, so let's see if they match up.
See, and every so often you have to replace the vapes for your car. But why is it? Oh.
And now the new one goes in. So goes in like this. Oh wait. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Look at those surgical arms. Look at that. Those are the fingers of a surgeon, a certified Autobot surgeon.
Autobot. Okay. There's one. I mean, fuck. I hope I'm doing it right. Okay, next one.
Watch we fucking jumbled up the gear shifts.
Right. Oh, this one wasn't that hard. It wasn't hard at all, actually. Oops. See that?
The what?
I was like, I should be putting them in here. Okay.
We're probably gonna have to hurry up before the owner comes. Because
Fuck the owner, he's gonna have to help me.
Well, the thing is though.
Oh shit, why do I keep doing it? I keep taking it off.
I mean, I told them that we were just gonna change his oil. But I know you needed the shockwave, so I figured he's not gonna notice.
He's not gonna notice.
I mean, obviously there's like 4 of them. Pretty sure we can take like 2.
They're like, what the hell are they doing at the day?
Minding our own.
Minding our own, period.
You can't speak to us. We're mechanics.
Technicians, you guys.
We're mechanicals right now. See, it's very easy. Just put it in there. Simple mechanicals, guys. Simple mechanicals.
Screw and unscrew is what we're doing. Little nugs, and you can do it too.
Yeah, just remember.
You don't always gotta go to work. Exactly, and you don't always gotta fucking go somewhere and pay so much. Right?
Basic mechanicals, that's what it is.
Basic mechanics, you guys. Okay. Last one, you guys.
The last one. This is the one that makes the cookie crumble. Miren esas manos talladas por los mismos dioses.
¿Verdad?
Oh yeah, look at that.
There we go. Sure, about time.
The muscles.
The muscle. Perfect. So, here's the first one. And that one is going to replace these. So this first one. Oh yeah, we have to put this stuff. Want to rub this stuff on there.
What's that?
It's like a dielectric grease.
You grease lightning.
Right, where the fuck? Damn, now I can't even open it.
Keep talking, I'll keep talking.
Okay, so you'll put this like in here. That way it goes in there.
Oh, kind of like a lube.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And you'll put this directly onto the thing. And then connect this to this. And then you'll go ahead and tighten it up with the. You have the.
Yeah.
So, here, oh shit.
Oh, I got a copy. Oh, my ginger.
I was like, wait, which one?
I got ginger in my pocket. And I don't know what to do with it.
Okay.
Andaba de bruja.
Now, tighten this back up. Okay. Is that one? Under pressure.
You're a transformer. You can do it.
Oh, look. See, this one's already off. So that one was already broken. I wonder how old these are then. Maybe they're not that old. Okay, so put the lube. Put it in there. Connect. And
damn, now I got battery acid in my mouth.
one thing.
Yeah, because once you mix the scents, ugh.
The wind chimes. So this one goes. Yep, I knew it. It broke too. Put all that there.
All gooped up.
All good up.
And then squeeze it in there.
Squeeze it in here. Put it on top of your thing. Okay. Put the screw. Okay.
Wait, hold on.
God damn it, it failed.
Oh,
That
it
one
fucking
fell.
broke off too?
Now the last one.
Got it right there.
Okay. And that's it. Okay.
You gotta put all that gobbledygook.
And now.
Look at how shiny they look.
Okay. Let me put this back.
Alright, gotta put that on to hide your treasure chest.
Okay. And that's it, you guys.
There you go.
Well, now it's time to start it up, see if it works. Oh my god, okay, let's see. Yes.
Alright.
It feels way smoother, like turning on.
Let's
Okay,
make this kitty
perfect.
purr.
Ah, we did it!
Yeah, yeah. Go, go, hey.
Oh
How
my
you see
god,
those is
okay.
like replacing a.
It's a wrap, y'all. It's a wrap.
It's a wrap.
Nugs.